God gives you the aux cord for the entire universe. What do you play? Windows shut down. E-rate version. Right. Is there any other version that's better? Wii shop music. Do. That's the Mi channel music, not the Wii shop. That noise, that sorta sounds like a high-pitched noise, but you're not sure if you're hearing something or going crazy. But then abruptly turn it off periodically. Hey, fuck you. The final countdown. Your OP Imagine just going on your daily life, and then the universe starts blasting that. You have about 4 minutes and 55 seconds to prepare for the end times. Just enough time to rub out a quickie. And what do I do with the remaining 44 minutes and 50 seconds? THQ sound edit. Actually it's THX, my bad. Wake up. Grab a brush and put a little makeup. Hide the scars to fade away the shakup. Why'd you leave the keys up on the table? Rick Astley. I'm gonna rickroll the whole world. This is the correct answer. The sex offender shuffle. We were bad, but now we're good. We're moving into your neighborhood. You know, we're trying our best to be functioning members of society. What's new Pussycat? On repeat. The old John Mulaney. Jesus is my N. Gotta preach the word. That's my gig. The Windows startup music. Have it where the background radiation that's supposed to be from the beginning of the universe is just an extremely elongated version of that. Rick Astley never gonna give you up. I ain't no stranger to love. You know the rules. And so do I. Video game ambience. Imagine having relaxing Minecraft music during everyday life, Skyrim music during adventures and moments of action, and Halo music during epic moments. Knowing my luck, it'd go from casual Minecraft to a thundering Halo theme all while sitting on my couch not knowing what's going on. Highway to Hell. The Brown Note. Devo, whip it, crack that whip. Carry on, my wayward son. Don't you cry no emo. Dana. What does the fox say? What the world do to you? To be fair, without lyrics, the song is a banger at parts. Blue da ba dee da ba da. Africa by Toto. Take me home, country road. You just convinced 2 million people the world is about the end. Meteors, floods, earthquakes, etc. start raging everywhere. FNAF to ambience. Just to scare the shit out of people. Hell no. Peanut butter, motherfucking, jelly time. Longest loop I can find on YouTube. Just to see how long we could last. You monster. Come stop me then. It's Raining Men. Hallelujah. Mike Wazowski rape. All Star by Smash Mouth. Stairway to Heaven. Halo theme, but just the first 15 seconds on repeat. Megalovania, yes. Every Black Sabbath album during the Ozzy Osbourne era. Sad Heaven and Hell noises. VeggieTales song. Bum Bum Bumif. You like to talk to tomatoes. Collectively 3 billion men scream heck yeah, this is my jam. 10 hours of silence on repeat. No one will be able to hear anything. The Wiggles. Fruit salad yummy yummy. Did you just steal you / Jmer in question? Never going to give you up, never going to let you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Tom Sawyer. Yes. Krusty Krab Trapper Mixie rate there. Baby crying auto-tune. Get that background Pokemon game music or Lost Woods from Zelda. I would rickroll the universe. Nothing beats rickrolling the entire universe. Never gonna give you up. Time to rickroll the entire universe. Rickroll the Mythoshikas. The entire Earth Rocker album on repeat. Everywhere. Forever. DC sound attack. Hello darkness my old friend. Banana phone. Surfing bird. Palpatine saying execute order 66. Rickroll the universe. Edit fuck someone else had the same idea. Penis music. Jesus take the wheel. Hey, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.